Windows supports up to 100 million pixels of desktop resolution. However, blurry screen issues might also appear. So if you also face the same problem, do not worry, as we will list all the possible methods to remove the screen blurriness. So first up, before trying out any major troubleshooting method, restart your system. Now restarting your computer can fix common issues with services and background programs. Then after the computer starts, launch any program and check if the blurriness issues is still there. Next, tweak the display resolution and scaling. To adjust it, open Settings, go to Display, click on the Display Resolution option, and set it to the resolution Windows recommends for your display. Now you have to apply the resolution, and if the blur is still noticeable, click down the Scale option. If the recommended scale settings look very small and unreadable, pick the higher scaling percentage option from the list. Lastly, enable Clear Type text on Windows 11. To do it, search for Clear Type, click on the Adjust Clear Type text option, click on Turn on Clear Type checkbox, then click on the next option, pick the text sample that looks the best on your display, then click on the next option. You have to repeat the process for all text samples. Lastly, you have to click on the Finish option to apply the new text rendering settings. So that's what you should do to fix the blurry screen issues in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.